I have discussed regular and irregular polygons, and now there is another classification of convex and concave. But before that, I would like to show you an open shape. So what about this shape? Is it a polygon or not? No, as you can see that a polygonal shape must be a closed shape. So because there is a gap here, so therefore this is not a polygon. Any open shape cannot be classified as a polygon. Now there are two more shapes in this image, and these two shapes do not have sides of the same length, and measurements of their angles are also different. So what about these shapes? Because in the definition of a polygon, there is no such thing that all the sides or angles must be same. Therefore, these are closed shapes and these are flat shapes, and I'm going to talk about this plane or flat shapes in the next video lecture, and these are made up of line segments. So these are polygons, but these are called irregular polygons, just like this triangle. So this is also irregular, as we have discussed earlier, and these two are also irregular. Now let's talk about convex and concave. A convex polygon is one on which if you take any 2 points on the boundary of the polygon. So let's take this point on the boundary and take another one here, and you join them with a straight line. This is not very straight, but assume it's a straight line, and you stay within the polygon, within the boundary of the polygon, then this polygon is called a convex polygon. So if I take any 2 points on the boundary of this polygon and I join them with a straight line, I am staying inside the polygon. So this is a convex polygon. This is also a convex polygon. This is also a convex polygon, and this irregular polygon is also a convex polygon. So this is irregular plus convex, and because these three are regular polygons, so they are regular as we have discussed before, plus they are also convex because I can join any 2 points at the boundary of these polygons while staying inside the polygon. Now look at these two. If I want to join a point on the boundary of this polygon, let's say here, and another point on the boundary of this polygon here with a straight line, I cannot stay within the polygon, within the boundary of the polygon. I am outside the boundary of the polygon. So this type of polygon is called concave polygon. And in simple words, if there is a dent, so as you can see that this is a dent. So if there is a dent, then the polygon will be a concave polygon. So it has two dents. Similarly, this has this dent. And another way of recognizing, if you take a tour around the boundary, you should be turning only in one direction. So let's say I start from B. I go straight, and then first turn is here. So I turn left. Then my second turn would be here. I turn left. But my third turn at vertex C will be towards right. So it means this is a concave polygon. I cannot take a trip along the boundary of the polygon by turning only in one direction. Now look at this polygon. If I start from A, I go straight, my first turn will be towards left, then again left, and all of my turns will be in one direction until I reach my starting point. So this type of polygon will be convex. So in a concave polygon, you cannot do this. You have to make a turn in another direction. So these are two different ways to recognize a concave or a convex polygon. But in my opinion, the simplest method is the one which I explained first. And now in the next video, I'm going to show you what does this flat means, that all these sides of a polygon must lie on the same plane. And this I will show you in a 3D environment. And this is a little bit technical, but I think that this is important for you to understand at this stage.